Here I have OMODA, and let me show you how to turn on or off the brake sensation linked to driving mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here the apps icon, so the second app from the left. Now select here the vehicle settings, so this car icon. Afterwards, you can use the left side of the menu. Select here the driver assistance right here. And now you've got access to brake sensation linked to driving mode, as you can see right here. Now you can use the eye information to read the information from the OMODA. The brake sensation mode provides two options for adjusting the brake pedal foot sensations, comfort and sport. You can select your preferred brake sensation style. So as you can see, you can enable the brake sensation linked to driving mode right here. And here you can choose the mode. It could be the medium or sport. In my case, medium is enough, so let me leave it like that. Let me also explain what it does, like in general. The OMODA, in my case, the OMODA E5 uses a brake-by-wire system, meaning the pedal feel is electronically simulated. When toggled on, shifting your drive mode to sport makes the brake pedal feel stiff and high responsive, while comfort makes it softer. In this case, it's not comfort, it's medium, makes it softer and smoother. Turning toggle off keeps the pedal feel consistent, no matter how fast or aggressively you are driving. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.